people abanobufakazi and say, Umuhle. I need people who are so boldly about it. We've seen God in our lives. We've seen God in our lives, yeah. We've seen God in our families. We've seen God in our lives. I just need young people who will stand boldly and say, we've seen God. Umuhle. Yeah. victory right there. Moses, which you are more than a conqueror. When you say, oh, yo, yo, oh, yo, yo, oh, yo, yo. When you know what you look so safe, you would stand on and say, oh, yo, yo, oh, yo, yo, oh, yo, yo. Move. We will raise it up until this is our posture, oh God. 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 We will forever, 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 forever. Nothing will ever silence our praises. Give the Lord a big shout of praise. Move. Oh, come on, give the Lord a big shout of praise. You better open up your mouth and exhort him. You better open up your mouth and say, thank you, Lord. You better open up your mouth and say, thank you, Lord. You better open up your heart and say, thank you, Lord. Where would we be without you, oh God? Where would we be without your everlasting grace, oh God? Where would we be without your mercy, God? Who loves us like you do, oh God? Who heals us like you do, oh God? Who adores us like you do, Father? Thank you for being an on-time God. Thank you for being an all-knowing God. Thank you for being a wise God. Umpristo zwelana nathi, umpristo ngalalo ngozeli elondoloza thina.